Every activity we do, every event we organize, and every decision we take is a collective effort of every student who gave the ideas a shape.
All of this sums up to our fellow mates reaching their own pinnacles of success by showing exemplary skills not only in academics but in other activities as well. The well-known phrase, jack of all trades but master of none, is redefined to jack of all trades but master of one by the students of various sports clubs who bagged prizes in many inter and intra-college competitions.
So we thought this year we organize internally many events throughout the academic year so that nearly 60 to 70% students will involve. So that is the way Vignan Utsav is planned. So once again I welcome our honorable chief guest, Professor Uday Bhaskar, the Honorable Chairman of Andhra Pradesh State Public Service Commission, who accept our invitation. Thank you very much, sir. I also welcome our Chairman, Dr. Rathay Garu, our Chancellor, Professor Ramurthy Naidu Garu, our Vice Chancellor, Dr. Tangaraj Garu, Rector sir, all my colleagues and young friends. So Vignan Utsav is the main purpose of involving all our students in this program from the beginning of the academic year. Today, in fact, we are celebrating the valedictory function of Vignan Utsav.
महाकाव्यनाटकाधिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं महाकाव्यनाटकाधिप्रियं मूषिकवाहनमोदकप्रियं मनसा स्मरामि महागणपतिं मनसा स्मरामि
It's an annual day is always a memorable day for everyone. And the achievers have got every reason to be joyous and every reason to be celebrating on this particular day. In our days, we have always been, the competition was very tough over there. To get one prize, we all used to fight because the number of boys and girls ratio used to be, we were 200 boys and only 7 girls were there. Only to impress everybody on the annual day, we all used to be fighting very tough on the competitions, cultural, academic as well as sports. Today the competition is much easy, but still, I would say that the academic prize winners, they have done a wonderful job. We have analyzed their performance. It's really heads up to the individual students as well as the parents. I wish them all the best and a very good career in their academic research and a professional one.
That a student life is the most enjoyable life, but not at all. It is a more responsible life. I have been telling my young student friends, so whether you want to choose working hard 4 years here, enjoy the remaining 40 years in your life. Otherwise, if you want to enjoy 4 years here, suffer in the remaining 40 years in your life. I leave it to the students whether you want to enjoy or you want to suffer in your future.
In that context, I am happy to say that the 2015-16 year is a very glorious year for our institute. Very glorious year. During this year, we got, all of you know that we got NAC A grade. During this period, yes, we got a good rank at the national level, that is 88th rank. During this year, the results are improved from 65-70% to 80-85%. During this year, already completed 70% of the placements and we are going to complete another 10-15% of it. So many years, all friends, in all phases, we are beautiful. Yes, this is a very glorious year for the institute. And for all this to happen, I am sure, I am happy that the cooperation from the students is at the very highest level. I say that is a very, very, very highest level. So they have cooperated all through. When we are insisted on weekly tests, never happened in a university level, they have followed it. When we insisted on the discipline, yes, they followed it. When we insisted on any modification, they followed it. Yes. Not even one untoward incident happened in this during this year, or of course in the previous years also, when many universities, many colleges are suffering from many problems. Whether public or private universities are suffering from many problems. Not even one incident was happened in this institute that the most of the credit goes to the students. Yes. Most of the credit goes to the students. They followed, they have done good and they have understood good and they understood the systems, they understood the people, they understood the very purpose of their working. So I really appreciate all the students for making it a very glorious year, very, very grand year.
First of all, I have to congratulate not the students but the parents for keeping their trust in the Vignan University, joining your kids in this university, and it's amazing that 80% of the students got placed. I mean, all credit goes to the parents, the management, and of course the chairman. The students who got above 80% end up getting jobs. They work for MNCs. The students who was from 65 to 80, okay, they end up, making their own small businesses. And the students below 65 end up becoming Bill Gates. So this is how you have to see the life. Bill Gates is a dropout, yes. I hear whistles from those students, I suppose. Now I'm into business, okay, and I'm now creating employment to IITs, the pass out of IITs. And I'm not an IIT. I'm not from IIT. So, if you want to become an entrepreneur, as your chairman said, 10% of you have to become entrepreneurs. I say more than 10% of you have to become entrepreneurs. Give jobs. Don't be an employee, be an employer. That's how your chairman has started. Vignan University has got tremendous name in the nation. He must have started in a small room, but only with one vision, education. But see today, he has employed many IITs.
But one thing I would like to tell you is, as your chairman, Laura Tiger told, that annual day celebration is just to review what you have done during the past 1 year and to review and to plan what you are going to do in the next year. But this, your chairman has done it for your institution. But what about you? Every individual has to do that one. Every student. So what is that you have achieved during the last 1 year? What are your drawbacks or negatives which you could not overcome during the last 1 year? So what you want to do in the next 1 year? It's not that only the next 1 year. Every student, he should have two things. One is short-term planning, that may be for 1 year, next what you want to do it. The second one is what I say, it is the long-term planning. What you want to be after 10 years. These are the two most important things. Why I am telling you is because most of the students who join a university or a college, they know that the next 4 years they have to do the degree and just they don't think about anything else. So I have enough job for me for the next 4 years. But a wise student will, what he will do is, the moment he joins the course, he will think about what he want to do after 4 years.
వాళ్ళు ఫెస్ట్లకి ఫేర్వెల్ సార్ మూతులు బయట పెట్టి నేలకి సెల్ఫీలు దిగుతారు సార్ అమ్మాయిలతో.
నువ్వు దిగొచ్చుగా, నేను ఎవరొద్దన్నారు?
ఎవరితో దిగేది సార్, అందరూ మొగలవరే సార్ నా దగ్గర దిగితే బాగోదు, FB లో పెట్టలేము అయ్యి.
అంతేలే.
అది సార్ అందుకని దయించి ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు కానీ రత్తయ్య గారు కానీ ఒక స్టెప్ తీసుకొని మా కాంబినేషన్ పడడానికి కారణం మేనేజ్మెంటే సార్.
ఏంటయ్యా నీ మేనేజ్మెంట్?
ఏంటండి ఆ క్లాసు కనీసం 30 మంది అమ్మాయిలు వస్తే మా వాళ్ళందరూ క్లాసులకే వస్తారు. కాదా అండి, ఓ 10 మంది అమ్మాయిలు చేర్చండి, పిల్లలు క్లాసులు వస్తారు, కాంబినేషన్ పడవు, అందరూ పాస్ అవుతారు. ఏం మెకానికల్ అబ్బాయిలు.
ఓకే
ప్రిన్సిపల్ గారు కనపడింది రానండి.